Welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is vegetable pancakes. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. You can use any vegetables you like in this recipe, but make sure they're of similar size so they cook evenly. In our version we're using mushrooms, onions, spring onions, carrots, sweet potatoes, red peppers, and I even managed to slip in some jalapeno chilies. For those of you who don't know, my wife's not a chili lover, so I had to tell her the chilies were short, fat spring onions. I took all the pith and seeds out, so I should get away with it. Anyway, on with the cooking. In a suitable sized bowl, just put the flour, corn flour, baking powder, salt and pepper, and mix together well. When this is done, crack the egg into the bowl and add water splash at a time, mixing well until a nice gloopy consistency is achieved. You should have something that looks like this. Then it's time to add your mixed vegetables into the bowl and combine together well. As you can see, not too much batter, just enough to hold the mixture together. Then it's time to cook. Simply heat some oil in a suitably sized frying pan, add the vegetable mixture, heat a spoonful at a time, and fry until golden brown on both sides. And repeat until all the mixture is used up. And then you're ready to serve. I must say they were very tasty, and the jalapeno chilies added a nice bit of heat. Oh, hello darling, didn't see you there.
Jalapenos! I'll give you short fat spring onions.